Is this a real life or is this a fantasy? A Bohemian Rhapsody, an evergreen song performed by Queen with an astonishing vocal of Freddie Mercury, brought this question to me. Has W.D. Gann ever met Nikola Tesla? Or maybe they had some spiritual connection with a higher being and drew inspiration from there. Hello, buongiorno, guten tag, marhaba, namaste, and selamat pagi. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. In this video, I'd like to share with you some thoughts on connection between W.D. Gann and Nikola Tesla, and more precisely to show you what they could have in common regarding their passion to some numbers. And I'll show you how incredible it is when you apply these rules into your trading. It is a killer. So stay with me to the end of this video to not miss anything. And let's start the rock and roll. Nikola Tesla used to say, if you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe. You know this one probably, don't you? From the other hand, W.D. Gann was saying that the circle division by 9 is the same as the division by 3 and 6. Interesting, isn't it? The 9 is a divine number, and alpha and omega, the beginning and the end. Every numerologist will tell you that. I've watched on video, by the way, on YouTube. I've seen a video showing the eternal vibration cycle, or a circle where there is an infinite flow of energy in order of numbers going such as 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, and this was going in infinite vibration, and this vibration has two controlling values of number 3 and number 6. And finally the number 9, the alpha and omega, keeps 3 and 6 in perfect balance. Well, please stay with me, and just a few more seconds, the best is to come right now. Okay, so let's go to the chart over here. I'm on EURUSD daily chart. Now, where is the catch? I observed that between 20th of February, this candle, and 9 March 2020, it is 18 days. So I said to myself, is this real life or is this a fantasy? Coincidence? I don't think so. So I said to myself, if it's not a fantasy, let's try to project it into the future. I made an Excel sheet over here, and here we go. Oh, this is the first one over here. So that's the sheet. I got this date, 9 of March 2020, and then I projected 18 and its increments into the future. So the yellow, I marked the reversal points. So this one, forget about this one at the moment because it's a different story. So let me hide these rows, and that's what we've got over here. So over here we got from all these numbers up to here. I think this one was a hit. And this one as well. Okay, let's check it. Let me check it. It was more than that. We got one here. We got one here. This for sure was a hit, 4 of December. Let me show you what is this. Okay, so here we go. We got 9th was this candle over here. EURUSD, the top of 9 March 2020. You remember the beginning of that story with whatever. So here we go. Let me show you. 27 March, 14 April, 1st May, 20th of May. And over here. 27th of March, 14 April, 2nd May is over here, but 2nd was on Saturday. And 20th of May were hits. Next one is 7th June and 25th of June over here. So is 7th June was on Sunday, so Monday is over here. 25th was over here, so it was the bottom, here was the top, here was the top, here was the top. Let's look further. This one didn't work. 13th of July, it didn't work. Look over here. 31st of July worked and 18th of August worked. 31st of July, boom, we got this local correction. 18th of August, local correction. 4th of September didn't work over here. So 4 was on Sunday, so it didn't work. 23rd of September, I think it didn't work. Neither. Where is 23rd? Oh, it was close, but it wasn't exactly over here. But 12th of October worked pretty well over here. 11th was Sunday calculated. It's 216 days from this date. An increment of 18. 18 times 12 is 216. So it's a dozen over here. It worked, my friend. We still got for December. Let me check it for December. For sure it worked. It's over here. This one has worked. It's the top of for December. Last but not least, what is important over here? Let's mark it. 4th of December is this one. 270. It did work. 16 and 29th, not exactly. 16 was just over here. It's close. It was a local correction, but it didn't work. And this one neither. Is 2 days miss. 2nd of November. Let's leave it like that, and I'll show you another one. So we got over here, we got 15, and out of 15 we got 10 working. 10 out of 15 is, my friend, 10 out of 15, it makes 0.66. So 66.6% is working. 2 out of 3 cases work. As you realize, at the very beginning they work perfectly. I got another one over here, which is I made the same projection, exactly the same. Let's hide this one. This is the triangle. It's not the issue for today. So I made a projection over here, and it didn't work neither all the time. First 1, 2, 3, they work perfectly. So 19th of March. So that was project, where is this one? Is this one. 19th of March, over here. This 19th of March I projected. So here's 18, 36, and 54 days. 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. It worked first 3 times. I mark them here. 1, 2, 3. Another 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 23rd of July didn't work. And then starting from 10th of August, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which were working out of 14. So we got again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 14. So again, we are well over 5 of 14. So we got 9 out of 14 is working. So it's 64% roughly. Let me show you this one. So the first 3 were working, and now the next 4 from this one, 1, 2, 3, 4 were not working. We had this strong uptrend, and then look over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is 14 of December, 14. Today we are on 13 of December 2020, by the way. So 14 is not that far, it will be tomorrow. 14 is tomorrow, my friend. So it will look different. So it will appear the candle. If tomorrow market makes a bottom somehow, it means because obviously we got over here, we got very slow downtrend. Maybe if it makes a bottom tomorrow, it will go higher. If not, if it goes to the top, makes a high, it means that from 14 on, well, it shows 12. I know. It's this funny thing of MT4. Anyway, 14 At the moment, the chart is here, but it will happen the next day. So watch the market, what's going to happen here. What do you think? This 3, 6, and 9, does it make a sense? For me, it does. Absolutely. Absolutely. I think Gann and Tesla, maybe they didn't meet each other, but they had been connected somewhere. And they got same idea about 3, 6, and 9, as well as here it is 3, 6, and 9, which are working. And increments of these numbers, increments of 18, are working pretty well, and I think that is a clue. You might try other numbers. There are other numbers. You might try also the trines, because at the moment here we are looking at the squares over here. This is a square, 72. Good number, 1/5 of the cycle. But here we got a trine, also 72, 20th of May. Look at here. Make your own research, my friend. This is also 12 and 16, which make a square and a trine on the circle. And they meet as on Gann's logo. They meet exactly in the same place. If it works, it will work over and over. That's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you green peeps. Until next time, take care of yourself and bye-bye.